Hi, this is Frankie Mata with Voyager Soapless Learning. Thanks so much for watching this really quick YouTube video. You probably got a digital sample of Step Up to Writing or the Wonders Alignment 2 Step Up to Writing. If you need either or after watching this video, please let me know. My email address is frankie.mata@voyagersoapers.com. Or you can go ahead and call me at area code 858-829-3301. I wanted to show you a few quick things about the Step Up to Writing program, as well as how it's aligned to Wonders, and I'll also go over how you can do a standards correlation or an ELD correlation as well. So the first place that I want to go is if you haven't got this already, I want you to pull up this PDF that I might have sent to you, and it is the Step Up to Writing correlated to Wonders document, and it's about 100 pages long. So hopefully you appreciate that I sent it to you electronically instead of printing out all 100 pages for you. Anyway, I am just going to pretend that I am in week 1 in Wonders, and here's my different strategies in Unit 1, Week 1. I think we're going over informational text and details. So my strategy here that I would be trying to find and focus on in Step Up to Writing is strategy B4-20 and -21. So how would you find those things in Step Up to Writing? Well, you're going to see, I'm going to go into our bookshelf here. Again, this is our online digital sample. I'm going to go into our bookshelf here, and it pulls up my teacher's guide. I'm going to scroll down, and remember, we're in the green K2 level Step Up to Writing band, and this is the teacher's edition right here. So the fastest way to find resources once you have that strategy, remember we were going over B4-20 and -21. So you see this little hamburger style table of contents icon there. You can click that and then drop down the arrow, and that was B4. Okay, so it's going to be section 4, and let me go back here. So remember the number right after the letter indicates the different sections. So if it's B4, it would be section 4. B5, it would be section 5. So I can go to this little drop down arrow here and go down to B4-20. And here it is right here. So here's the teacher's edition that supports that particular writing strategy that you're going to be focusing on within Wonders. And you're going to see there's lots of different tools here that you can use along with this particular lesson. Now, keep in mind that you can do mini implementations of Step Up to Writing, or major ones where you would be teaching this entire lesson, or you can just use the tools that you see here and print these out. So you see kind of like these graphic organizers here, and you're going to see tool B4. I know that's kind of small, B4-20. So you can decide whether you're going to teach this entire lesson or just use the graphic organizers to support your particular writing lesson within Wonders. Okay, so how would you find these tools? I'm going to go back up to Step Up to Writing. And again, go back to your digital sample, and I'm just going to go ahead and go to, remember, the number right after the letter indicates what section you're going to be in. So remember, we were in B4 and we were looking for B4-20. So now we're in section 4, and then I'm going to go to B4, scroll all the way down to B4-20. Okay, and there's graphic organizers that you can write on, that you can print out and write on here. You can print these out to hand to the students to support any given lesson here. Okay, a couple of the other things I want to show you also. This we are aligned to not only Common Core, but the ELD standards. I can select my grade, and let's say I'm in part. I want to. I can look up my different parts here. Let's say I want to pull up all the particular strategies that indicate how English works. So I can show the standards, and here they are right here, and I can click on any of these ELD standards, and here's my resources right here. And then I can just jot down the section and the strategy number and find that within just how I showed you within the Teacher's Edition or the tools. Okay. So again, we are aligned not only to Common Core, but also the ELD standards. One of the last places I wanted you to check out is this Voyager Sopris online learning platform. So the nice thing is that if you're a principal and you purchase a program for a teacher, and let's say that teacher leaves, the materials that are left over, you can just pass this on to the incoming teacher. And the learning platform basically has what it is. It's 6 hours of on-demand professional development. So 90% of what we covered during our in-person training is also covered here. I do highly recommend when you do first implement the program, you do have live professional development to come out and train your teachers. But this happens more often than not, where the following year a few teachers leave or they change grades. And in this case, you don't have to call one of us out to train just those few teachers. They can just get on the learning platform here and train themselves on the program. So that's about it for me. I invite you to explore the digital sample, as well as explore how this might work in the classroom for you. So whether you're in kindergarten, second grade, third grade, all the way, we have the alignments all the way up to sixth grade within Wonders. Thank you.